Hello, guys. Welcome again. This series of videos, we will look at building ASP.NET Core API as a server side, and then we will actually utilize the Angular client. So basically, we will build a simple API, and then we will actually um, consume the services with another Angular application using the .NET Core. So rather than talking too much, we will get started. We will try to build everything from scratch so that we will learn about all the nuts and bolts of it. So stay tight and let's get this cracking. I mean, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel because I've got lots of stuff coming up. So let's get it going. First of all, we add a new project. This will be a very simple. I mean, we could actually we're gonna make it. Obviously, it's a .NET Core. Um, .NET Core web app. So here, this is what we do. We're just gonna say Angular API, just like that. So basically, this will take care of the API services. So basically, what we do is we use an empty, or a blank project. So we wait for it to build. Yeah. So now we've got a new like simple blank application with the necessary stuff. So as you can see, we still got the we still got packages being resolved. So we can see an error. So we just wait. We just go ahead with it here. So so from here inside the configure services, we will just add we say services dot add MVC. So we add this to the services. So we just wait. I mean, while everything is being resolved. So one next thing is we come here. So as you can see, we've got our response. Um, Only sending the hello world. So for now, we don't really need it. But so what we do is we just remove this bit here. So as you can see, we've got this bit here now. So the next bit, of course, is we're gonna say app. So I mean, as you can see, the things are loading up. So app dot use MVC. So we're gonna use this again. App dot use default files. Then one last bit, of course, app dot use static files. So as you can see, it's going on pretty nice and smooth. The next bit, of course, is we're gonna go to the root, the root folder, and we will add a new folder, and we call it controllers. Yeah. So inside our controllers, we add a new a controller, and of course, it's an empty API controller. And we call it product products controller. Yeah, as you can see, there's an error here, so we're just gonna cancel it first time because the ad I think is missing 1D, so we just put 1D here to make the error go away. So we just add a new, we just re-add the controller again. So it's API controller empty. So we have products here, products controller. So now we've got the products controller created. So we will test it. So we're just gonna say a public action, action resource that returns string. We say get. So what we do is we just return So what we do, obviously, we're gonna just make this a simple string for now. So we just make a string get, and we can just put a daytime UTC dot to string. We're just gonna put a full time. So the full time here. So that's about it. So inside here, what we do is we're gonna put a HTTP get. So this is all we've got for here for now. So what we do is we try to run it to see what comes out of it. So as you can see, the running, once we run it like on the base URI, you don't get anything back. We have to put the API explicitly. So we've got API products here. So as you can see, we've got the time. We've got the time displaying correctly. So this means that obviously our API is spitting out data. So it's okay now. So what we do next is obviously continue on to build up from where we've actually gotten started. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it from here. We start on the next part, building the client side. We also start from scratch and we keep on like adding stuff. So once again, thanks for your time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please suggest you do so and catch up on the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.